What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. Hope you're all well. We're looking at Quant on the 4-hour time frame and price is doing exactly what we thought. What did we say? We said that as long as we're above this green box here, we should actually technically still be bullish, because this retest of support is actually on the outside of this downtrend. So this downtrend is now being respected as support rather than as resistance. So we should begin an uptrend over here, and you can see we're holding this very nicely. Point 1, you got another point there, 2, 3, three separate, 1, 2, 3, three separate occasions where we actually have come back down to it after going away from it. So we know that this is still acting as valid support. Look, what did we say? Once we lost this, you basically had this M pattern, and then when we got above it, we validated the W. But then you couldn't come back and hold that neckline, either the pink line or this level, as support. You fell below, but then reclaimed it and held it as support. And now we're forming this smaller double bottom inside a larger double bottom, with this being the first leg, this being the neckline, and this being the second leg. And in this second leg, you have another double bottom, which you've now broken out of. Now you've pumped into resistance. If Quant can break this neckline and hold above it, let's say it closes on the 4H or on the 1H above this, then this is a long opportunity back to the highs. So because we know we're actually trying to come back up, there's still that risk we can get rejected by the 618, which we already have over here. It's just with that rejection, you should have lost the low, and you haven't. You actually put in a higher low. So this is telling me we're going to try and at least try and break it again. This means that we're going to fill in this wick. We are now on our way to this 200 EMA at 119. If you wanted to put a trade now, I know it's only a $2 move, but still, that is a trade right there. Close above this, or even just from there. Once you're above that, you got a little quick trade, 1.4%. With 10x leverage, you can get out the market with 14% very quickly. These are the sort of moves that I'm doing personally in the crypto group chat. I just don't trade leverage on Quant. I just do it with other coins that are, what I believe is more stable, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum. I tend to spot trade anything, but leverage trade the most reliable coins. Just because sometimes you can get, let's say, Quant pumping, but Bitcoin not pumping. And because Bitcoin didn't pump, Quant can eventually become a fake out. So that's why I tend to just trade the most reliable coins, basically, the most stable ones. So to say, because the leverage, I don't need crazy gains. The leverage is what's giving me the crazy gains. So that's why you don't need to leverage all these tiny coins that are doing 10s or 20s or 50% moves. You don't need to leverage that. Whereas Bitcoin, if it's moving 1% and you know for certain it's moving up 1% and it's not going to go down on you, and you know it's going to go up 1%, once you enter your trade, it is going up 1%. It's not going into minus. It's not going down 1% before it then goes up 1%. It's just going to go up 1% from entry. Then again, you can put 10x, 20x, but you need to realize that wherever your stop loss is, you can't just let the trade hit the liquidation price. There needs to be a stop loss above it, because if you're just letting trades hit liquidation price, you're not trading right. That's not true risk management. So I hope you guys understood that. You can see this is the only thing in the way, but if we're getting above the 618 at 119, then we're going to go to 125. Break past that, we're going to retrace back to this high at $133, and a little wick above that to 135 at the 1618. That is your target. We know it might not be met, but that is the target that we're looking at once we break this high. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment what you think is going to happen next. Will we have this bounce that I am anticipating, that I'm calling out for, or will we dump lower and lose this ascending support? All remains to be seen. But again, it's all on Bitcoin, and I say this in every video, it's all on Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, follow my Twitter, Louis_crypto. If you're interested in the course, in the mentorship, or just the chat, get over to my Twitter and message me on the pinned post. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor, over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.